Everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to use Cisco Packet Tracer and I'm going to demonstrate how to build a network using a hub. So I just want to talk quickly about what a hub is. Ethernet hub. An Ethernet hub, active hub, network hub, repeater hub, multi-port repeater, or simply hub is a network hardware device for connecting multiple Ethernet devices together and making them act as a single network segment. It has multiple input, output, I/O ports in which a signal introduced at any port appears at the output of every port except the original incoming. A hub works at the physical layer 1 of the OSI model. A repeater hub also participates in collision detection, forwarding a jam signal all of the ports if it detects a collision, in addition to standard 8P, 8C, RJ45 ports. Some hubs may also function with a BNC or an attachment unit interface AUI connector to allow connection to legacy 10-base-2 or 10-base-5 network segments. A layer 1 network device such as a hub transfers data but does not manage any of the traffic coming through it. Any packet entering a port is repeated to the output of every other port except the port of entry. Specifically, each bit or symbol is repeated as it flows in. Our repeater hub can therefore only receive and forward at a single speed. Dual speed hubs internally consist of two hubs with a bridge between them. Since every packet is repeated on every other port, packet collisions affect the entire network, limiting overall capacity. A network hub is an unsophisticated device in comparison with a switch. As a multi-port repeater, it works by reopening transmissions received from one of its ports to all the other ports. It is aware of physical layer packets that it can detect their start, preamble and idle line, interpacket gap, and sense a collision, which it also propagates by sending a jam signal. A hub cannot further examine or manage any of the traffic that comes through it. A hub has no memory to store data and can handle only one transmission at a time. Therefore, hubs can only run in half duplex mode due to a larger collision domain. Packet collisions are more likely in networks connected using hubs than in networks connected using more sophisticated devices. So here's what a network hub looks like. So as it's saying, when computers are connected to all the ports, when it receives a packet, let's say on port 1, it forwards all the packets out through port 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and we'll have a look at this now in a Cisco Packet Tracer. So to do this, we'll need a hub. We'll put that there. Go to End Devices, put in one server, and we'll put in multiple PCs. Go 1, 2, 3, and 5. So now all these have to be connected, and we're going to use the RJ45 straight through cable, which is this one. So click on the server and go fast Ethernet, and we'll connect it to the hub fast Ethernet 0. So just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we probably won't be connecting this computer as there's no room on the ports. And we just have one more port left for this machine, so we'll connect this with the cable. So go here, fast Ethernet 0, and it connects here to fast Ethernet port 5. So what I have to do now is I have to configure all these PCs with IP addresses. So we'll start with the server. Go desktop, IP configuration. I will start with the IP address 192.168.0.1 subnet mask 255.255.255.0, and we'll do the rest for the other machines here. So now all the IP addresses are set. So if you want to see what this looks like in the physical, let's just say the server, in the server rack and the switch, click here to physical, click on home city, corporate office, and then we click here on wiring closet. So here we can see, I'll just press the button here to magnify in. So here we can see here's our server, and here is our Ethernet hub, and you can see that the server is connected. So that's that. So now what we can do is we can test ping. So what I'm going to do is from the server I'm going to ping PC4. Sorry, I want to go, sorry now. So I just go ping 192.168.0.6, and you can see here I've gotten a reply. So you can see that there is connectivity. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to move my picture up here. I'm going to go into simulation, and sorry, now I'll just move that down there, and I'm going to send a packet from the server to PC3, and you'll see as I do this that the router, or sorry, the hub sends packets to all the machines. So for the destination address I put in 192.168.0.5, put in a sequence number of 25, put in the size of 30, put in periodic, and we put it in for 15 seconds. Here we go, click on send, and then we click this button here. And now you can see that the hub has forwarded a ping to all the PCs, but it's only intended for PC3. So PC3 sends back a ping, and it sends it back to the server and all the other PCs, even though it's not for those machines. So watch it again for another minute. So to replay this, all you do is just click this button here, click this back button here, which will bring it up to the top, and then we press the play button to watch it again. So this is a great program for anyone who wants to learn about computer networking. So you can see there the packets are being forwarded, and you see that it's XXXXX because it's not intended for those computers, only PC3. So I'm going to leave it here today for this video. In the next video I'll be showing how to work with another hub, and we'll do the exact same thing again as sending packets. So we'll see how it works then with a bigger network. So I'm going to leave it here today for this video. If you like listening, please consider like, sharing and subscribing. Thank you.